My video will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Goba, G-O-B-A. By the way, this ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. The ransomware actually encrypts files and damages them considerably. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of the ransomware attack, this virus may essentially damage the files. So after people restart their computers, they suddenly realize that the considerable damage has been made to the files and that it's not possible to use them anymore. The ransomware is called like that because it encrypts files and appends this GOBA additional extension to the file names. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored if you pay the ransom. So don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. Very soon you'll see the consequences of the ransomware attack. So you try to open this specific file and you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with this GOBA extension. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but you should not waste your money and should not pay the ransom. To remove this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and after it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button and the program will begin scanning, researching and investigating the system. Then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against the ransomware attack. But this feature, however, does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from further attacks that could possibly happen. Anyway, some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but we do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future. So premium license is what you need.